Hello everyone, this is Ondrej speaking. Today we are here in Düsseldorf on T3CON2025, right? With me, I have my friend Janus. Janus, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm coming from Aarhus, Denmark, where I run a company that does, on the one hand, expert groups, including CMS expert groups. On the other hand, we also do independent events, where we also have a couple of CMS events. So Typo3 kindly invited me to give a talk on understanding the content marketplace.
Perfect. And now we are going to Ondrej's one question. So what was the most exciting things on this conference up to now, or maybe there's something that you're looking forward?
Yes, I've been here now for all 3 days, and what really excites me is to see the momentum that's going in the Typo3 community. I think that's something you probably hear everybody says at every conference. It's great to be here because the momentum is so great. But I think the fact is that at the end of 2025, right now, there's so much uncertainty going on in the world. And it's actually not what's happening in so many other communities. The WordPress community is shrinking, the Drupal economy is shrinking. And to be here for the third time in a row and see how the community, the entire ecosystem around Typo3 is generally growing, I think is really exciting. And I think that fact that CKEditor is here is also one of these testaments that the Typo3 ecosystem is inviting new voices in. And I was also really encouraged to see main representatives from Drupal and WordPress here, which also says something about a community that doesn't just focus on themselves, but looks out. And I think that's also been represented on the agenda, where we've had topics like diversity, inclusion, and things that are not necessarily Typo3 specific, which I think I value a lot, and it generally excites me to see that this community is growing.
Got it. So basically it's not just about the content management system, it's not just about the Typo3, but everything all together.
Yeah, I sense a genuine desire to build a conference that's helpful for the many partners. Today is the agency day, but also in the past days, generally helpful for the many customers who have been here, from universities, from finance, from all kinds of industries who use Typo3, but who are perhaps also looking for a little bit of guidance in terms of, in this age with AI and accessibility and agents and all these other things going on, how do we better invest our money? How do we better use our budget? And I think seeing a vendor that doesn't, or in this case an open source project that doesn't just want to talk about itself, but wants to look out, I think is a main reason why this community is doing well.
Agree. Thank you very much.